Hi, I'm Joseph Patrick, co-founder of Lamont Bros. And today I want to discuss real quickly how to do a successful partial kitchen remodel. A lot of clients come to us and want to either save part of their kitchen because it's already been remodeled or constructed originally with high quality materials. The design just wasn't done to fit their family. Or for budgetary reasons, they want to remodel part of their kitchen but end up saving costs. And I want to show you today a super successful partial kitchen remodel we did that I'm very proud of, because partial kitchens are often harder to do than just gutting the space and redoing things from scratch, because you have to use some of the existing elements. So in this kitchen, what we ended up doing is we demolished a wall between the living room and the kitchen. We took a galley style kitchen with a peninsula sticking in. We remodeled that cabinet. We kind of remanufactured the end of that peninsula to straighten it out. And then we took some actual existing cabinets and moved them to an island, created an island. Then all of the cabinets were painted, and we ended up doing countertops, backsplash, new appliances, new fixtures. We ended up not having to replace all the cabinets, not having to significantly demolish all the drywall and replace all the flooring. We saved flooring and added some new flooring. And all of this enabled us to save a significant amount, probably 40 or 50% on the cost of completely replacing all the cabinets and redoing the entire kitchen. So this ended up being a really successful partial kitchen remodel. Now, let's talk a little bit about the pros and cons of doing a full kitchen remodel or a partial kitchen remodel. With a partial kitchen remodel, you are sometimes limited in some of the layout options because you have to work with some existing cabinets. And if you manufacture new custom cabinets to go with those to match, those are higher cost. And so sometimes when you start down the road of a partial kitchen remodel, it becomes such that you're changing enough and you're modifying enough that it makes cost sense to just do a full kitchen remodel. Then you get some of the advantages that come along with that. And those are really that you can choose the exact cabinet style and cabinet color and cabinet finish. For instance, here, one of the disadvantages is we had to paint cabinets in place. When you paint cabinets in place, you're in general using a waterborne finish that you can shoot in someone's home, which is by definition of using that type of finish that can be shot in somebody's home. It's a lower quality finish than we will shoot on our high-end custom cabinets. And it's also a paint. And paint in general is not a good fit for families with kids or dogs, where the cabinets get a lot of use and abuse. Often a laminate or a foil is a better fit because it's just more durable. So those are some of the things to think about as you're thinking about, should I do a partial kitchen remodel or should I do a whole kitchen remodel? Thanks for watching. Check out this other video to understand some of the differences of different cabinet finishes and their durability. Then feel free to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful information about remodeling.